My mouth hurts so much right now. What's up, y'all? So my name's Jason and I'm a locksmith for those of you who are not familiar with my channel. And as a locksmith, we get called out to make keys for locks that don't have keys with them. In this video, I'm gonna eat the 2020 version of the Paqui one chip challenge 2020 that's supposed to be the hottest freaking chip in the world. I've never tried one of these. I've eaten hot peppers before. I like spicy food. But what I'm gonna try to do as a locksmith is we're gonna pretend like this lever handle does not have a key and I get called out and I have to pick the lock, which I don't do a lot on my videos, but as a locksmith, you do have to pick locks to be able to take them apart to make keys for them. So I'm gonna pick the lock, hopefully, take it apart, rekey it, put it back on the door, functionable, before I try to relieve myself with my milk and yogurt and all that other stuff that you're supposed to try to relieve yourself with. So here we go. The Reaper shows no mercy. If this is the last time y'all ever hear from me, it's been a fun ride. The only precaution I'm gonna take with this is putting rubber gloves on because I wear contacts and I'm gonna have to take my contact off tonight. And even if you wash your hands 1,000 times, that capsaicin that's in there, oh God, I'm not looking forward to this. The capsaicin in there stays, you know, in your skin, and that we don't want to do that. So I'm gonna protect myself. Make sure and hit that like button, please, because I don't know how this is gonna end. I'm not looking forward to this at all. Dang it, Wes. Not my idea. So again, the Paqui one chip challenge starting now. We've got the keys that come with this guy. Yeah, it's standard. We've taken apart these cords in other videos before, but as a locksmith, if you're not familiar with a locksmith, let's say that you have this on your door, and see, we're gonna take it all apart so it's an actual functioning. This is exactly how it comes from the factory. Now, a 6-pin key, as a locksmith, you do have to, if you don't have keys for it, you do have to pick the cylinder to turn the cord to be able to get it off the door. And that's what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna rekey it. And we're gonna key it back to this key, and we'll dump it out right here. Here we go, y'all. I've been dreading this for a few days. Let's see what this is all about. Oh wait, it's sealed. Let's break this seal. Oh, sealed on the other side. Why am I doing this, Jason? Why am I doing this? What to expect? Made with Carolina Reaper scorpion pepper. Round 1, spicy to the tongue. Round 2, fiery jab to the face. Impaired vision from tears. Low blow to the gut. And then a knockout. Wow. Wow, that is not good. That is not good. What in the real peppers, real heat. This is I guess the challenge is just literally, how long can you last before throwing in the towel? 5-minute featherweight, 30-minute middleweight, hour plus heavyweight. No, we're not even going to do that. Oh, look, I can get a free bag. Okay, thanks a lot. Do you dare? Yeah. I've got my Lock Force sign here, y'all. Here we go. It can't be that bad, right? It can't be that bad. I'm going to strip my gloves off as soon as I get it, start chewing, and then we're going to immediately go to town on the lock and try to get it taken apart and rekeyed. So here we go. Jesus. Look at that. It's It's like the black chip of death. Oh no, it broke. Oh shoot. Thanks, mail, dude. Is that it? Okay, that's all of it. Oh God, oh my God, that stinks really bad. There we go. That's it. Broken in two pieces. Is that the whole chip? It looks like a Dorito from hell. It's like a deadly Dorito from hell. God, I don't want to do this. Alright. I've committed myself. Alright. Oh. Oh, nasty. It's nasty. Oh, that's the worst thing. That's the worst thing I've ever tasted in my life. My God, my mouth's on fire. All right, here we go. Oh my God. Oh, hiccups. Oh, I got hiccups. No, it's not good. Okay, I'm gonna go the other way here. It's not good. I'm not a great lock picker, so okay, come on. Oh, hey, my God. Oh, thank God. Okay. Okay, I'm tearing up. I got it apart. My mouth. Okay. Oh. That. It's like Mississippi in August in my mouth. Okay, here comes the tears. I can't even really see anything. Alright, here goes the nose running. I can't. Alright, Jason. You can do this. Alright. Spring apart. Let's take the keys and take it apart. We're going to dump the pins. So you got all 6 pins. All six springs. Right there. Hold on. Okay. My mouth's on fire. It's really hot. Alright, now I gotta reload this. And to do that, it requires fine motor skills, which is kind of hard to do. No shit. Alright, messed up already. Beware of the language. Yeah, that hurts. Yeah, that hurts. I can't even really see into the plug. Okay. Here we go. got 4 loaded up there. 5, I mean. All right, there's 6. No, don't disappear. My mouth is burning so bad. That chip is so nasty. If it tasted good, that would be better. But it doesn't taste good. Where'd my other top man go? All right, there it is. All right, what is the bidding on the? Great, there's no bidding. All right, 7, 6. Yep, 6. 2. 2, yes, 6, 7. So these little pins, if you're not a locksmith, this is what, oh wait, that's not right. 5. 5. Okay. 6. 3. 3, 3, 3. Thank God I can rekey locks pretty quick. 3. 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Is that right? No, it's not 1, it's 2. Honestly, aside from the nasty flavor, it's honestly not that bad. I was thinking it must be much worse. Alright, let's put our pin in. Put our cap back on. God, that was easy, y'all. Definitely makes you cry. Alright, look at that. Got all the pins. Get back in there. And turn. Which way do we have this turn? All right. So. There we go. I did it, but I'm okay. I'm okay. Let me push this a little bit further. I'm still I don't know if I should even try this. Let's try it again. Again, on my channel, I focus on mostly lock-related stuff. I'm not really into lock sport where I pick locks for my channel, but as a course of, it hurts to talk, y'all. It really hurts to talk, but as a course of being a locksmith, you do have to do this. Now, you know, I got lucky. Maybe the factory pins were rounded or something. Oh, bam, look at that. There we go. Picked it, rekeyed it, put it back together. I survived. Where'd it go? Where did my banner go? I survived. I finally did. The Paqui one chip challenge. Look at this. I've got my chocolate milk. I've got my regular milk. Which one's better, chocolate milk or regular milk? This is a celebratory drink. And I could have done it without rubber gloves. This is a celebratory drink of chocolate milk. God, that chip was nasty. That was the worst tasting chip that I think I've ever had. Yeah, it really does help. It really does help. I even went and bought yogurt. I didn't know what kind of yogurt to get. I may still eat the yogurt. But, you know, it wasn't that bad. I mean, it's hot as... It's the worst tasting chip. It's like a Dorito from hell. Worst tasting chip I've ever had in my life. I know this is probably going to be worse in the morning or later tonight. The chocolate milk really doesn't help. Let's try this yogurt. Let's see if this yogurt helps. My mouth is definitely still on fire. I didn't even know what flavor. I didn't. That's so good. But thanks for watching, y'all. I survived the one chip challenge. And I picked a lock twice and rekeyed it and put it back together. So I don't know for sure. I did a little Google search. But I think I'm the first locksmith to ever be stupid enough. to ever do this on camera. So while I'm like 3 years behind, this doesn't help. It doesn't help at all. Thanks for watching, y'all, and please smash that like button. Please subscribe if you're interested in lock-related stuff. I don't just do boring stuff. I do all sorts of stuff, and even if you're not into locks, you may find my videos interesting. So, oh, that is so hot. No, this doesn't help. This doesn't help at all. Get off my wood pin kit. Thanks for watching, y'all. We'll catch you next video. Make sure and hit that like button. And